Hey guys, what's up? So today I am going to do a little bit of an unboxing. I hope this sounds okay in here. I'm doing it in my bathroom, but I just wanted to show you guys a few products that I have ordered lately. I have like shipment after shipment coming in, so I actually have another one next week that's going to be makeup. So I'm going to try out, all kinds of products that I can because I feel like I'm a walking billboard for what I'm selling, in my business. So it's important to try all the products. That way you can talk about them. And I think anybody who owns a business would, of course, agree with that. So anyway, so I'm just going to show you what I got and some of the things I already use and some I haven't tried yet, but I'm going to try. So pull out the obvious of what I have to keep stocking up on, and that is protein. So I ordered chocolate and I ordered vanilla. Mark is actually doing the shakes with me now in the morning, so I had to like double up on my order because it's going so fast. So I got chocolate and I got vanilla. And these are 2-pound bags and they're 30 servings if you're doing 2 scoops. So it's so good though. I absolutely love this protein. All right, next up, I did get 2 bags of FitChews. I actually already broke into the chocolate one. I had one last night and I had one this morning. So these are just little, I was trying to read up on them to let you guys know exactly what they are, but I did read that they're just to kind of, if you have a craving, especially if you're doing the 30 days to healthy living, if you have a craving, then you can have one of these and it just helps give you a tiny bit of energy, but it's mainly just for that craving. So this one is chocolate, and then I did get vanilla. I saw a girl one time who put I said vanilla. No, this is caramel. So I did see someone put a caramel one in their chocolate shake one time, so I might have to try that and see how it is. I mean, of course it's going to be good, but I just wonder about blending it, like how it'll blend. So, but we'll try it out and see. It's the Arbonne True Hair Replenishing Mask. So you put this on and then you can put this over it. And I also grabbed the shampoo and conditioner. Right now I use Kevin Murphy and what's the other one that I use? My mind went blank. Like it's Arnco. It's in my hair, or it's in my head. I'm thinking of it, but I think it's Arnco, the Dallas one. Anyways, that one is in my kitchen. So literally when I can't wash my hair, like when I can't take a full-on shower, I will just wash my hair in the kitchen sink. So that's why I have one set in there and then I have one set in my shower. I remember my mom doing that all the time. She would always wash her hair over the sink or over the bathtub just to get her hair washed. So that's what I do too. So my hair gets really oily really fast. So this is just the daily shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to try it out and I'm going to let you guys know how I like it. And same with the mask because my hair is terribly dry and I really don't know why. I mean, it could be because I color my hair so much and can't decide if I want to be a brunette or a blonde, but I mean, it's probably not my fault, right? It is my fault, totally. But anyways, so I'm going to try those out and see how they work, and I'm really, really hoping that they do the job because stuff needs a little bit of help. I actually ordered with one of my first orders, but I threw it in this box just so I could show you guys. So this is the texturing pomade with shea butter. And you're supposed to put this on damp hair. So the other day when I used it, I did. I put it on damp towel dried hair, just kind of massaged it in a little bit. Then I let my hair naturally dry and then I touched it up with a blow dryer. And then I curled it with my wand. And guys, the next day, I actually still had wave and curl in my hair, where normally my hair is so soft that it just goes flat. My hair has always been super duper straight. There's no natural wave to it. There's a few pieces that do have a little bit of a wave after having kids, but my hair is not actually, like, it's naturally as straight as a board, like so flat. So anyways, I've been putting this in my hair. Today I did it on dry hair, so I just kind of put it on. It's very liquidy, and I just put it on, kind of scrunched my hair, and then I curled it. And it does just give you, it's soft, like it doesn't feel like hard or dirty, or anything like that, but it helps just give texture, which is, that's what it is. It's a texturing pomade. So anyways, that's what I've been using, and once Brody's hair grows out, I'm gonna start using that in his hair too. Ordered some Mind Health, and I ordered more Fizz sticks. This one is strawberry. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I live by these right now. Sometimes I have to double up on them, but I quit drinking coffee. And the reason I quit drinking coffee is because I put more creamer in my coffee than I do coffee. So, or more creamer in my cup. So anyways, it's like that much creamer I'll put in my coffee. And it's just, that's so much sugar. Like, it's so much sugar, there's so much to it. I can't do almond milk in coffee. Like, I can't do that. Like, it just doesn't taste the same to me, and so I might as well just not drink it. So Mark actually stopped drinking coffee too. Now every now and then, like on a weekend, if he wants a cup of coffee, I'll put it on for him, but the Fizz is just, it makes you feel better, and it actually does something for you, where I feel like coffee, for me, I'm not sensitive to caffeine, so it's more of a mental thing. Like, I like the taste of it, but it doesn't actually do anything for me. It's all like a mental thing. So anyways, I do love these though. They have B12 in them, B6, and a few other things, but you can always look up the ingredients, or you can write me and I can send it to you. But these things are awesome, and I stay stocked up on them now. I almost ran out the other day, and I was like, I'm not letting that happen again, so I keep them stocked. The next is Mind Health, and this is the cherry lime flavor. I see a lot of girls talking about this. They'll mix it in with their Fizz stick or just drink it by itself, so I'm gonna give this a try and see if it does anything to help. Next, I need the de-stress powder. Need to like drink a tub of that every day. So we're on to skincare now. So I did get this Arbonne Calm Soothing Face Serum. This is from our new line. Looks like this. I'm gonna try this out, and I'll let you guys know how I like it. I'll show you the packaging real quick because I haven't pulled it out yet. So looks like this. Has really pretty green and has a dropper. So we will try that out. I love face serums. Like, I absolutely love skincare. I love makeup, but skincare is honestly just my favorite thing, because one, I mean, you have to take care of your skin, especially as you get older. Like, you have to take care of your skin. Makeup can cover up whatever you want, but at the end of the day, if you don't actually take care of the problem, then it's not going to go away, you know? So skincare is a big deal, so make sure you take care of your skin. Next is the Bio-Hydria. I don't know if I'm saying this right. I probably should have fact-checked that and got that information correct before getting on here. But anyways, this is the one that, the blue line is the one that I picked. So what I like, I already tested this morning, but it's all gel. Like, everything, like your cream, the serum, your eye stuff, the cleanser, it's all gel. So my skin is very dry. I used to never have problems with my skin, and I really still don't, honestly, but after having kids, it's just so dry. So that's why I wanted to try this one out, to see if it will really hydrate me and, you know, just brighten up my skin a little bit more. So I'm going to try this one out. So that one's the cleaner. And then we have the gel cream, which looks like this. And it's just like a little, I don't want to spill it, but it's like a little jelly form. Like, once again, I love serums. I have a ton of them. Looks like this though. Ooh. Okay, and then the eye one. And you only need a very tiny amount of these products. You do not have to pile them in your hand. You only need a very tiny amount. So here's the other one. So I will be taking before and afters. Like I said, I tried it this morning just to kind of see like what it felt like, And like I said, because it's gel, it just feels really hydrating and feels really good. So, but I will take before and afters and just kind of show you guys if it does a difference, you know, if it makes a difference, because I have a lot of skincare products that I love and that I like and they work, and I think it's important to try whatever brand you want to see, you know, if they work, and to mix and match if you want to. I don't think you have to be stuck down to one certain brand all the time, but also if it works for you, it works for you, and don't mess that up. Like, I'm a big believer of, if it works for you, girls, stick to it. So, next, I do have a few things of makeup that I did order. This one came in this shipment, and then the CC cream is what I got a while back. So, this one is in light. I probably could have honestly gone a little bit lighter, but it's still light enough to where it works. It's, I think, lighter on camera than it is on my hand. It's more like of a medium shade, but it's just really nice and creamy. It's buildable. Like, look at that. I just spread it out, and it's just, it's a good concealer. I tried it today, and I actually really like it. So I'm going to keep using it. I'm going to see how long it lasts today, how it wears, all that good stuff. So we'll see. If you have dry skin, this is, you know, a product that comes in handy. I got the light in this one as well. And I probably could have gone a little darker, but, and don't mind my busted nails. They're just going to stay busted for a little bit. So anyways, but there it is. And it's just very smooth, very creamy. It has a bit of a shine to it, so you're going to look really hydrated when you do put it on. So those are all of my new products, and I'm really excited to use all of them. I literally have my pantry like stocked. Like, I am stocking up on all this stuff. It's all being paid for with my own money, and I absolutely just, I love the brand, so I'm trying it all out. So if you are interested in any of these products, I will leave links below, but you can also just DM me and we can talk about it. We can see what you need, what you're looking for, stuff like that. But we have everything from nutrition, skin, makeup, hair, men's line, baby's line, just all kinds of stuff, you know, deodorant, toothpaste. We have essential oils. You know, Arbonne bans over 2,000 ingredients from their products. So, you know, if you're worried, everything is vegan in the line. So I think that's just, if you're looking for that kind of stuff, having that kind of knowledge is important. So let me know if you want to talk about it or check it out or talk about the business side, whatever you want. But yeah, I absolutely love these products, and I'm excited to try them, and I will be giving you my honest review. I tried the greens today, and I actually really like them. Like, I thought I was going to gag and maybe throw up a little bit, because I've seen so many other people do it, but I was like, oh, this isn't bad, so I just shot it, and it was good. But I do have girls that are, and I used to take greens like a long time ago, but I have girls saying, like, you will notice a difference where your body, like, craves them, which I totally believe, because I feel like our bodies crave certain things anyways. When we want, you know, when we just, our bodies need something, it kind of tells us. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. There will be more to come. I'm going to do a makeup video with all of these products that are actually coming in next week, so I'll get that up for you guys too, and, you know, test them out on video to see how I like them. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.